Hello friends, welcome to the series Committees of Constituent Assembly. In our previous video, we had seen the Committee of Rules of Procedure as to how the assembly would function. In that particular report of that committee, they have recommended a committee, Finance and Staff Committee. So in this particular video, we will see the glimpses of this Finance and Staff Committee. It is important to note that again this is an administrative committee. Now, as I said, the rules and procedures were set. So as per Rule 42, this committee was constituted for preparing the budget of the assembly, advising the president in regard to the secretarial staff, allowances of the officers and members of house, how they will get their allowances. Now this committee had 11 members. The chairman of Constituent Assembly, that is Dr. Rajendra Prasad, was ex officio chairman of this committee. And who are the other members? H.C. Mukherjee and V.T. Krishnamachari. They were the vice presidents of this committee. Satyanarayan Sinha, Jaipal Singh, V.I. Munniswamy Pillai, N.V. Gadgil, Govind Das, Sri Prakasha, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, Bhavanji A. Khimji, who was subsequently replaced by Harnam Singh, K. Sanathanam, who replaced the original member C. E. Gibbon. Now what this committee said? This committee actually recommended what should be the allowances which are required to be paid to the members of Constituent Assembly. This committee also recommended the salary structure of all the other administrative staff of Constituent Assembly, because there were a lot of other people working in a normal course, so they had to be paid salaries. So all those fixation of salaries, the method of fixation of salary, the amount of salary, amount of allowances, all that was particularly done by this particular committee. I hope you would have enjoyed this particular video. Thank you.